From all those days when I knew a drone was real, I really wanted to fly one. And then my dad got a drone, and I'm really excited to fly one today. Hope it turns out good. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making a video of me flying my first drone. So this bag I'm actually wearing, it holds all the equipment for the drone. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be unpacking the drone bag. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, there's lots of stuff here. The thing I'm pulling out is a controller. It has two sticks at the bottom that we'll show you how to do later. Here is my fella, Joni. Say hi, Joni. Hi. Very sleepy. And here is the batteries, right? Yep, these are some batteries. And the bag is divided into some sections to help you fill out these three things. It helps you organize, basically. I just want to tell you that there's two types of controllers for this drone. One, it has this one, where you'll have to pop this thing out, grab this wire, and plug it in your phone, and your phone's your screen to see the drone. But in the other one, it already has a screen. So it's my first drone, so I rather have the one without. There are three types of modes. When you come here, can you see this button? Okay. Currently it's on cinematic. So C, cinematic, N, normal, and S, sports mode. There's three types of modes. Sports goes very fast. Normal, it goes normal. And cinematic goes very slow. So we're on cinematic right now. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use the controller. So here are the two sticks, because you're not going to be really able to move this. So you just pop one stick out of here and quickly screw it on. And then you do the same with the other side. Here we have the on and off button. You can have a quick look. And then here we have the home and pause button. If you press this, it means wherever the drone is, it'll come back home. So you have to, in the app, set a home, and then whenever you press this button, it will come back home. So suppose my drone is over here. I wanted to come back home. I will simply just press this button, and suppose this is the home, it will just automatically fly from here, and land itself. And if you press this button, it will also pause. So if my drone is here, again, and I press this button, it will be pause. So it will just stay there and start hovering. Maybe go higher, I don't know, but it'll just start hovering here when you press this button. So now I've just connected my dad's phone onto this. So now what you've got to do, see, this is where you do the charging point. You just plug that in. And now how to turn it on, you just press it and hold it. Now I'm going to talk about the drone. So this is the gimbal cover. So Joni's wearing a gimbal cover, so I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. Well, how you take it off is you go to the bottom of the drone and you see this thing. You just pull on it and then it comes off. So this is the gimbal cover. So now I'm going to open the drone wings. So these are called propellers. these bits, and there are 2 front propellers and 2 back propellers. So how you basically do this is you open the back ones first, because they will help you. So you see these sticks, you just pull them down and go around, and then it'll come to the front. You do that with the other side too. Now we'll do the back ones. So you just pull this one here and pull this one here. Perfect. And now you've got an open drone. So now I'm going to show you how to check the battery. So once you've got your drone, you just press this little button at the back. You press, and then see all 4 of them are on. Then the sound will come, and then you just quickly come down here and place it where your home is. There are 2 ways to start flying the drone. So one is within the app and one is in the controller. I'm going to use the controller method, so you just pull these 2 down like this. Take off. I'm so excited! And now the drone is in the sky. And I'll be yours forever. Forever. I'll be yours forever. Forever. So when you go this way, it goes this way. When you go this way, it goes this way. What happens if you press up? Up. What happens if you press down? Up. Up. Ooh. That's nice. What happens if you go down? Up. Okay, now I'm going to try to spin the drone in a circle. Now my next challenge is to try to land it. Since my drone is here and it's facing this way, I want it to land right there. So probably you just move it down. Landing. And then your screen says landing. And now it has landed. And then you just walk up to it and pick it up. Or, you know, as I have already told you, you could have just landed it at the home button, but I can't land it there. So I'm telling you the home button because what if your drone's all the way down there and you want it to land and you make it land there? How are you going to find it? Well, if you press the home button and your drone's over there, you know, it'll just fly back to home and you can come pick it up. Because obviously you're going to have a sensible home, right? So then it'll just come back to you and you will not lose your drone. So now my friend Droney is going to fly to the maximum height this drone can go, and let's check out the view. Are you ready, Droney? You bring out the best in me. I don't know why or how. With you, just feels right somehow. To all of my doors. Should I bring Droney down now? Let's do it. Uh-oh. Droney's gonna land. How was your flight, Droney? Was it cool? I really liked the view you captured. So, since my dad sets this challenge for me, I figured out there's something called master shots in this app. So master shots are basically the drone will do all the work for you. It will take some cool master shots for you and you can use them in some videos. So what you do is you basically do the plus And now the pulse is literally on me. So can you see that rectangle? And now the drone is gonna do some master shots. So now I'm going to tell you a few fun facts about Droney. Here we have obstacle avoidance sensors. So I was pretty happy that there are sensors for obstacle to avoid, because if you're a kid trying to fly, you might hit an obstacle and break it, but this will avoid obstacles. Here is also two front obstacle avoiding sensors, and if you turn it upside down, you have two bottom ones and an LED light for nighttime drone flying. Guys, so today was a really fun day. I really had fun doing challenges, learning how to fly a drone, and today was really actually pretty fun. I really liked the Droney that helped us today, and my dad also helped us. And when I do other things that are new, they're pretty hard when you start, but this is a little easier because it has different abilities that it can do. Like, suppose I start art new and it's really hard. So I really like how this drone can help kids know how to fly. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. Bye!